Hey guys, this is Abby from AA Handmade, here to show you all things DIY, handmade, and homemade. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and comment down below. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these banners. So I usually start in the website Canva. I love this website, I use it all the time. And basically I'm just going to start out by trying to figure out what exactly I want to put on my banner. And I always start in Canva. It's just a great way to kind of troubleshoot and start without actually putting something on the banner, which is kind of, can't really reverse that, So I was really inspired by the song The Blessing by Carrie and Cody Carnes. Definitely recommend that you listen to that song. It is so good. I've had it on repeat forever. So I'm just gonna put it kind of where I want it to be. You can do this however you want with whatever phrase you want. And just to kind of flow with the theme of what it's actually going to look like, I'm going to search typewriter font in Canva just to kind of make it look cohesive there. So after messing around with the spacing a little bit, I remembered that I had really wanted to do a banner that had like a repetitive line or phrase over and over again. So I'm going to take that last line, "He is with you." I think that's going to work perfect here. So I'm just going to center it and leave it at that. Now, the fabric that I use for these banners, I normally get at Hobby Lobby, but with everything going on right now, wasn't able to do that. So I did end up finding some canvas drop cloth from Lowe's. Now, this is so affordable and you probably get way more for way less of a price. So I'm probably going to end up doing that from now on. I did put this in the wash with some bleach just to lighten it up a bit, so that was really nice. Now next you're going to see me here using a tiny iron to try to get these creases out. Didn't work, so we're going to continue on. So what you're going to do is you're just going to want to take a picture frame that you want the size of your banner to be, and go across the edges there with that. Use that as a straight edge. And then you want to have a little bit of room at the top for your dowel, so just use a few inches above for the dowel. So now you have your banner fabric cut out. I'm gonna hem up the edges here. You can leave them frayed if you want. That gives it a cool look. I just like a cleaner look, so I'm gonna hem mine with my sewing machine. Next we're gonna make the hole for our dowel. I'm just gonna take the very top edge and fold that over a little bit just to create a clean line. And then I'm going to fold it over just a few more inches, and you can pin it down however you like, but that's going to give us the hole for our dowel to go through. So I'm just going to sew a straight stitch right down where I kind of showed you previously. After this, I'm going to go back into Canva with my lyrics here, and I'm just going to get a line and go vertically and horizontally, just to kind of show me exactly where the center is going to be with this. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to make the same vertical and horizontal line physically with my magical disappearing ink pen. I have this ruler here that I use to help me make the lines where the letters are going to go. And so you can see where I've made kind of the spacing marks there. And so I just make some lines where, again, the lyrics will go. You'll kind of see that here. So that's just going to help me make very straight lines. If I didn't have this, it'd be all over the place. So there's two kind of spaces here. There's one space that's meant for where the letters will go, and then there's another space where a literal space will go. So you can kind of see that here. This is what I use for my lettering, and yes, that is a pickle jar. But I'm gonna bring back the Canva template here in just a second, and I'm gonna use this to help guide me as to where I'm gonna put the letters on my banner. So I'm gonna start, you can see there that the I is right on that center line. So I'm gonna start with the I and work outwards and then kind of work backwards. This is just gonna help me make sure that it's perfectly centered. So I would work really hard on the first line, make sure that it looks really good, because after that we can just directly place the other letters right below it, since we're doing a repetitive phrase here. If you're not doing a repetitive phrase, again, I would definitely recommend kind of working in the center and then going outwards. This is what it'll look like when you're done. The lines will disappear within a few days thanks to our pen, but I'm just going to put the finishing touches on here with 2mm macrame cord. This makes a really great gift. You can do vows, you can do your favorite song lyrics like I'm doing, you can do a Bible verse. It's really customizable and they're so cute, so definitely make one if you're inspired. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe down below. I hope this encouraged you to go out and make something today, and in such a time as this, I hope it also encouraged you that He is truly with you. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.